run or walk. Is it okay? Then, shake. So, patulong sa DVD. Good. Right, you're gonna shake your body 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then, back to your line. Okay, kugus na lang. Sige. Alright, kugus na lang. Then, back to your line. Then, the second player will follow. Alright? Then, the last player will burst the ball in 2 rounds. Kinahanglan na katulang last round din siya. Sabi, mana kaduha, mana sige kaduha din. Kasi gasol mo yung. Okay, so we're gonna play trial first. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and wait, pagana, mapag-go. Excited guys, mami. Alay, dili ka sa tumangan, te. Okay, si sir may maburst sa balon. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, and go! Alright, ang team number 2 kay nirelax pa sila, nagta-massage pa. Naana kong 2 rounds. I said 2 rounds, alright. So sir, balik sa sir. So no more trial, alright, this time we're gonna play the real game, alright. Everybody, 1. Last. Okay, we're gonna play the real game, alright, 1. Kani, day, on the floor. Sir, you need to burst the balloon on your... Alright, kani nga balon sir ha? Sa inyo lang bat. Alright, 1, 2, 3, and go! On the floor. Alright, next year na ito nabutuhan, baby. Next year na. Alright, so we have our winner. Winner goes to team number 2 and team number 1. Get your special prize.